What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So things are extremely exciting right now because Terra Classic, Terra Luna Classic, the old Terra, not the new Terra, is making some decent moves, right? And we would classify them as, kind of ridiculous moves because we didn't expect to see this, especially as the market is really going the opposite way. So with everything that's happening with Terra Classic, we need to talk about where it is right now. We need to talk about why it's making these moves, because this is the biggest question: is why are we seeing this move from Terra Classic? And can it be answered? I don't think it really can be answered, but I can try to give you some sort of an explanation. Most of it is centered around speculation because we don't really have any like true like blaring details as to why we would see this take off. So anyways, I'll give you the best explanation that I have, but make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, if you guys want to check out, oh geez, I just bit my tongue. Check out one of the links down below or some of the links down below. You can definitely check those out, as well as if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K. You can follow me there. I have a couple of updates on Terra Luna and different things and articles and stuff like that. So if you want to go and check it out, feel free to go and check it out. Ask me some questions and tag me in some stuff. But let's talk about Terra Luna Classic. Now, this is something we spent a long time on this morning in the live stream, and for good reason. I mean, it was the only thing that was green and aggressively green when it comes to the entire market. Like if we go to the market, we can see that literally everything is red. You can see this, and everything has been red over 24 hours. You can see Bitcoin and Ethereum, some of the stable coins obviously finding some green at times, but not too much. But you can see Binance is red. You can see XRP is red. Cardano's red, right? I have a couple of things that may be moving in the last 24 hours, just purely based off of the last hour. Or you can see things are really red, right? The entire market is down about 2%. Now, it's not insanely red like it was, well, not insanely red, but more red like it was earlier today. But it is down. Seeing the entire market down, you expect most things to really flow in that direction. But Terra Luna Classic didn't do that, right? If we go into Terra Luna Classic now, let's go ahead and take a look. Thank you for subscribing. Whoever subscribed, hopefully that's how I say your name, but thank you for subscribing. But if we look at the price, currently it's at 0.0000147. Now, anybody that's new to crypto or new to what's going on with Terra Classic or Shiba Inu or any of these positions that have trillions of supply or even hundreds of billions of supply, you're not used to seeing these prices. You're like, oh, well, if something goes to zero, it doesn't truly go to zero. Well, no, there's no cryptocurrency that will completely fail and go and be non-existent. Even if they wipe out liquidity, you would still see a price at those points. I'm not saying that Terra Classic will do that. I'm just saying that with crypto, it's different than what you would see in the stock market. If things go bankrupt, then things go bankrupt. Everything's gone, right? That's absolutely zero, where you have nothing, you don't get anything in return. But this, it's at $0, it's at 0 cents, but it's at a fraction of 1 penny. And we've seen this down to this low because there's trillions of supply. We see 6.5 trillion supply, 6.9 trillion supply in total supply. And you can see the market cap is actually up in the $1 billion mark. So this is absolutely crazy to see that. But what we're looking at here, right? When we look at this position, when we look at Terra Luna Classic, we ask ourselves, why is it up 58%? Why are we seeing that this is, jumping to this price from where it was? It actually had 4 zeros, and now that it has 3 zeros, a lot of people are excited about what's going on, and that's including me. And I was getting a ton of questions asking me about when or why are we seeing this 58% increase? Why did we see this 35% increase or 60% increase the other day? And it's not what you think. You think that there's some crazy news that's out there or some crazy rumor, and there's no crazy rumor. There's no crazy news. It's all centered around the fact that people believe in this position, right? They see the potential in what it can be. They see the hype, they see the volume, and people follow other people, right? So whether you're in a certain portion of the ecosystem. Let's give an example of Shiba Inu, right? When you see Shiba Inu run, a lot of times you're going to see probably Bone and Leash and, all of the coins that they are involved in run as well, because it's within that ecosystem. Now, I'm saying run when I mean 50, can't speak. When I mean run, I mean like 50% or 60%. Then you'll see Bone, you'll see Leash, you'll see Ryoshi's Vision, all of those run and make moves maybe 20% or 30% or something like that. And that's what you're seeing here with Terra Classic. Terra Classic is up, 57%, 58%, and it was up, the other day as well, or the weekend basically. And you saw it run, you saw it lose that zero, and now we're at a way higher price point. And a lot of people are like, "Hey, should I invest in these points?" And it's very tricky to say if you should invest in these points, but it's not based on any type of rumor or news, right? The only rumor we could think of is probably the fact that we have these burns that are supposed to come up. We have people that are taking charge in the Terra Rebels that are, kind of leading the way, leading by example, doing something that Shiba Inu and all of the dev team and the dev teams for the ecosystem and everything are not doing, right? Putting it up to a vote. What do the people want to see? The people want burn rates. The people want utility. And we're seeing all of that that's taking place. So that's the reason why we're seeing this 58%. And it looks really, really good. We're at a $1 billion market cap, or we were at a $1 billion market cap, which is a really big step because it shows that we can easily get back there. A lot of people, as we were going through a number of weeks, as it was decreasing down to 400 or 500 and 400 million and 300 million, people were like, this is probably going to decrease down to a $100 million market cap and everything's going to be over for Lunic. And I had to disagree with them. I didn't believe that it was going to make that move down to some of those even lower levels. Now, if it did, it was going to have a bounce and it was based on the market. But we can clearly see that this is not following the market. We can clearly see that people are seeing the hype in this and they're following the hype train. This is the only thing that's green, so people continue to invest. The volume is up 243%, up to 1.2 billion. And we'll get into how that breaks down with the 1.2% burn rate and everything like that when it does get implemented. But this is phenomenal. I love the fact that we're seeing all of this green within one position, right? It could be spread across the entire market, but it's all into this position. So let me know what you think about Terra Classic and why you think this is happening. But there's no real big news around it. Really, there's just hype. There's kind of speculation as to where it's going to go, and that's creating more positive vibes, I guess. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, if you guys want to check out some of the links down below, you can check out all of those links. Follow me on Twitter. If you want to follow the Terra Rebels, you can definitely check them out. There's like multiple Discord groups and they're all intertwined together. I believe the Discord group that we have down below, the Lunatic Discord group we have below, which has like 2,000 members, is also tied to the Terra Rebels, I believe. You have a community that's working with communities so that we can build this into something a lot bigger and take advantage of what's going on here in the situation that was dealt to us. And hopefully we can get this back to, like I've said in my live stream, form of normalcy. So again, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one.